Hello my friends, let me introduce the Autoplayer function of this digital signage. The Autoplayer application was pre-installed on this digital signage. When you put your contents, the media contents, pictures, videos, and other media contents in your USB flash disk and plug in, it will play the media contents from your USB flash disk directly. So the default settings is full screen display. The screen ratio is 9:16, so better design your media contents, pictures or videos with 9:16, so that will match the full screen display. But sometimes if your media contents is not vertical design, like it's not vertical ratio, it's like it's a landscape screen with 16:9. So in this case, you can make settings on the Autoplay application, the Autoplay player, make settings with multi-screen display. So use the remote controller, click X8, and select this screen direction and choose vertical screen model. And here, this is the default with full screen display, and the others is multi-screen display. Like the second one is pictures on the top and videos on the bottom. So the ratio is nearby 1:1, the picture and the video ratio. And this is video on top and picture on bottom. And picture, video, picture. So this is 3 screens individually on the screen, multi-screen, with picture, video, and picture. So you can put your pictures and videos, the landscape pictures, landscape videos in your USB flash disk, and set with display model and submit. And click play. So your video will display in the middle with a landscape ratio. If you put pictures on your USB flash disk, and it will display the picture on the top and display the picture on the bottom at the same time. So let's use another USB disk, or you can use the same USB disk, put the pictures in, put the landscape video, because this is a vertical 9:16 ratio video. We can put the 16:9 ratio video and put some pictures, landscape pictures inside. We can wait for the media contents to display on the screen. Also, we can use the remote controller to turn on the Autoplay application and click General Settings. We can make some settings on the play model and copy model and subtitle settings, image transmission time settings, and auto start settings. We can turn on this auto start function. Sometimes we exit from the display, from your media contents display, and it will turn on automatically after 1 minute. And click this play button. It will play the media contents from your USB flash disk.